Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is TIMO TECH. Today I'm having this empty box. I want to put this PITBULL 7000W speaker. As you can see, it's a PITBULL 12 volts DC, 7000 watts each. So I'll put 7000 watts there, the other one here. So I also have this black spider. Now that this, I'm only remaining with one piece, so I can't put EA black spider then here XTC. No, I want to suit the brand, so I'll use these two. So I also have these. There is Dagger XTC Notorious BIG. That's 10,000. The one in blue, it's the Alumina 26,000 watts. I also have Pioneer 1,500 watts. So I just choose to put this 7,000 watts. So if this doesn't push, then I will choose the other brand. As you can see, so I have main brands there. I can replace if this doesn't push the way I want the sound to come out. As you can see. Okay guys, so let's take a look how these PITBULL speakers looks like, how the magnet is. As you can see, so this is the magnet. Okay, that's quite good. Okay, so that's not bad. This is how the speaker looks like. As you can see, this is XTC. The magnet is very big. Let me put it closer. So as you can see, this is XTC. This is how the PITBULL 7000 watts looks like. As you can see, the rubber itself, this is quite good. The texture of the rubber is quite good. This is dual core, it's double core, as you can see. Wow, here are the two PITBULL XTC speakers, as you can see. So let's try them in the box. So as you can see, this looks good. The texture of the rubber, the magnet, it's a double core, as you can see. This looks good. So let me get one. I put it here, and the other one. And the other one I put it here. Wow, looks good. So this is how the box will look like with XTC PITBULL 7000 watts. Okay, so it will look like this. That's good. These are the PITBULL. As you can see, it will look like this. So now let's do the wiring for that goes to the amplifier. So let me do the wiring now, and then I get the cables from the behind that goes to the amplifier. It's either we connect them in series or parallel. So let's wait, we see how we'll connect this, if it's parallel or series. Okay guys, so now let's look at the connection of the speaker. So in this way we will connect it in series. So that will make 8 ohms. So from here, so we get one from negative here, goes to the other side of positive. So you put it, as you can see, so this one goes to the positive. So one needs to come from negative, the other side of negative, then goes to the other side positive. As you can see, then these are the output that goes to the amplifier. As you will see how I will connect the wires. So get the donors. to subscribe for the next project I'm having. You can check out my other videos. Yeah, don't forget to like. So this one goes to the negative, the remaining negative. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so this one goes to the remaining negative, then the remaining positive. That's where this one goes. As you can see. Yep. Yeah, so this should be go to the amplifier. As you can see, the connection out, it's done. So this one negative and positive, you match them together. Then this one, the remaining one, this is the outline that goes to the amplifier. Yeah, so that's how we should do all the speakers. Yeah, so in my next video I'll show you how to connect them in parallel. So this is series connection. We call it series connection. So this one makes 8 ohms, as you can see. So we did the plus, so 4 plus 4, that makes 8. Maybe you can wonder what, how this makes 8. Yeah, so this 4 plus 4, that makes 8. So as you can see, yes guys, so for the both speakers you need to connect same way I've connected the first one. Yeah, so this is the second one. The first one, see, the connection is done. As you can see, this is the first one, and the second one you should connect the same way I connected that. So you get this cable, this one goes to the negative of the other side, yeah, and this one goes to the positive. Yeah, as you can see, so this one comes from negative, then goes to the positive, then we are meaning with positive and negative. Yeah, so that's where the cable that goes to the amplifier connects from. Yeah, so you need to do a good job. As you can see, yeah, so this is negative. So let's do this. So this negative goes to the negative, yeah, and then the remaining one, which is positive. Yeah, so this one goes to the remaining positive. Okay, so here I'm done with the connection. So this is series connection that makes 8 ohms of the speaker. Yeah, so as you can see, the two of them, they are all connected. Okay guys, so the wiring from the speakers is done. So all speakers needs to be connected in series, as you can see. Yeah, so these are connected in series. Then this wire, that's the wire that goes to the amplifier. Even this one, it's in series, and this wire. Yeah, so let's see how we'll fit them in the box. As you can see, so you get this speaker. Yeah, so or on the cable. So here you need to make a 3 something that can help it stick there. Even if you pull this cable outside there, then you won't it won't move from this side. Yeah, so you need to put it. Okay. Yeah, so have you seen what I was talking about? Yeah, so this cable, that one, yeah, so it holds there, so it can't move. Even if I pull it, it can't move. Yeah, so you need a trace to make that thing of me. Yeah, so I put it here. Okay, so the cable you see is out, as you can see. So even the other one I've made from both, as you can see. So let me get this cable. Yeah, so the wall is there. Okay, to pull it outside. Okay, then you get the speaker. Okay, so even this one, even if I pull, as you can see, it works there. It can move from this side. Okay, yeah. Have you seen how beautiful the box looks like? Yeah, so these are the speakers that go. These are the line that goes to the amplifier. So yeah, have you seen these two? The other one. Yeah, so these are the Pitbull 7000W. Yeah, we also try that. The box are coming, so you can subscribe, hit the bell button. Every time I upload the video, you'll get notification. Alright guys, so now it's time to screw them. Yeah, as you can see. So we need to use this. We call these devil screws, as you can see. Yeah, these holds tight. Yeah, so it's time to screw them. We can start screwing them. Okay, so let me screw them. We'll see how this will hold. Yeah, these screws holds. We call them devil screws. These are the devil screws. So that's what you need to use. You can see. Yeah guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so these works. These are the best screws to use when screwing the speaker. Don't forget to subscribe. You like my video guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. As you can see, they are holding tight. This is XTC PITBULL 7000W. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You like the video, you hit the bell button. Every time I upload, you get the notification. This is really powerful. It's a very powerful subwoofer. As you can see, it's XTC. So guys, what do you say about this? You can leave a comment in the comment section. What do you know about this? What's your experience about this XTC? You can let me know in the comment section. So if you have any experience about this XTC PITBULL 7000W, yeah, you are free to let me know in the comment section. If you want to know anything about this, you want to learn something about the connections, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will reply to you. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, the sound. That's a very good sound. Okay, so they are all done. As you can see, we've screwed all the speakers. It's hot now. This is beautiful, guys. So this is how the box comes out. Yeah, with two XTC PITBULL sub 7000. So it's 7000 each speaker. As you can see, the box looks good. Yeah, so these are the speakers that's in the box. So in the next video I'll use the other. It's either Tagga or XTC, the notorious BIG or Illumina. So this is PITBULL XTC that I've used. Yeah, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell button. Next time I drop the video, you'll get the notification. Thanks for watching, guys.